Unraveling the Mystery, Understanding the Phrase Kingpin. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our English language learning channel. Today, we have a very interesting phrase to discuss, kingpin. Have you ever come across this word in movies, books, or conversations and wondered what it means? Well, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to explore the different meanings and uses of the phrase kingpin. So, stay tuned and let's dive right in. The word kingpin has its roots in the game of bowling. Originally, it referred to the largest or most important pin in a setup, which is typically the front pin. Knocking down the kingpin would result in knocking down all the other pins. However, over time, the meaning of kingpin has evolved and expanded beyond the realm of bowling. In modern English, kingpin has taken on a couple of different meanings. 2.1 The criminal mastermind. When used in a criminal context, a kingpin refers to a person who holds a dominant or pivotal role in an illegal operation, such as drug trafficking or organized crime. This person is usually at the top of the criminal hierarchy, controlling the actions of those below them. Example: the police finally captured the drug kingpin after a long and dangerous investigation. 2.2 The central or most important element. In a more general sense, kingpin can also refer to something or someone that is considered central or crucial to the success of an operation or activity. Example: he is the kingpin of our team, leading us to victory in numerous competitions. While using the word kingpin, it's important to pay attention to the context. Make sure that the usage aligns with the meaning you intend to convey. Here are a couple of tips. In a criminal context, kingpin usually carries a negative connotation. In a more general context, it can either be neutral or positive, depending on how it's used. That's it for our exploration of the word kingpin. We hope that this video has shed light on the various meanings and uses of this interesting phrase. Remember, understanding the context is key to using it correctly. Thank you for watching, and we hope to see you in the next video. Happy learning!